Take command of the road in the 2015 Ram 2500. This four-door, six-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.